Chaddy Marie, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes! Chaddy Marie TV.
For all the vlogs and recent update, mailing Chaddy Marie. Bototom, Bush, Yaksta said that.
You know, it's a boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, wagwan. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. Say for the first time, y'all check out the Chaddy Marie TV. Don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notification. So anytime I upload videos like these, you definitely are gonna be the first to know. And people, this a topic you're interested. This a story you're interested because NIKKI, Queen NIKKI, not Nicki Minaj, you know. Not Nicki Minaj. And we not talk the next NIKKI. You know, we have the cream them, chromas. We not talk she. Marvin, baby mother, NIKKI, caught stealing. People them still are speculating for she. We are gonna dissect it. Yo, Jano, it don't look good for NIKKI because NIKKI just do up her body, look good, drop couple song, drop couple music video, and now this she got caught stealing. No, NIKKI, it don't look right. But before we go into that video, you notice me I pushed that banner from the other day. Necessary Marge, and them have the bad t-shirt. Them people, me see one a comment, you see me? Me see one a say, yo, you know say that shirt the bad, Chaddy that shirt the bad. You know go and go check out the website or check them out on Instagram at Necessary Marge 876. Me get the shirt, I like the shirt, all courtesy of Necessary Marge. You see me? Where you from? Rep where you come from. Me forward from Portland. Everybody know that already. Portland, me forward from everywhere me go. Me rep Portland. But if you forward from Clarendon, I will Clarendon there again, right? That's all. You can't just get a shirt where say Clarendon me come from, right? Kingston the same, St. Anne the same, St. James the same. All of the 14 parishes them. So people wanna go on over them Instagram page, Necessary Marge 876, or visit them on the World Wide Web, www.necessarymarge.com. And Necessary Marge is actually Jamaican spell back way. Alright, so people go and go check them out. This video is courtesy of them, Necessary Marge. Alright. Now time for the mix up. Now people, Jano Star, it look one way, I'ma feel a way for NIKKI. You see me feel a way. Me don't know about Uno, but me feel a way. If you know say NIKKI forward pan the gram every day I show this glamorous life. NIKKI go do her body the other way. Breast look good up, body look flat like tummy flat. Ass look from yesterday go weird around on one part. And if you know say right now, she forward her teeth them look something here from a small store. It look like a small store. It just look away. NIKKI, me expect better from you, NIKKI. You see me? So people, this video of NIKKI surface on the internet, and NIKKI look like say a bag she grab, Jaja, or she grab something put in her bag. Now, from the look of it, people don't suggest say it look like NIKKI because number one, she have the same sleeve tattoo. You know NIKKI and sleeve out go straight down with a tattoo and a particular watch when I noticed from the other day. Then every single video where she upload on Instagram and them thing there. You see me? Some would suggest say yeah, kinda look like she. Even when me zoom in, it kinda look like she. Now the persons, the owners of the establishment definitely can come forward and validate what we are saying because we get the footage from like what appears to be a security camera. So NIKKI, you never see that security camera then either? Jaja. So what NIKKI do? Right? NIKKI show the lady something and say, yo mama, I want that up there so. That, and lady turn around back and I say, this? And NIKKI say, no, that. And as the lady turn her back, she just grab something and put it in her bag. NIKKI, that is not nice. Every day you forward on the internet, you purchase this glamorous lifestyle and you grab bag. That not nice. As I say people, the other day, NIKKI do up her body. Now, this watch, as I said before, the watch here then a couple our video them. Like our snap them when she put up on Instagram or on our story. And it would appear say at the same watch the person in question did a wear. it leave a lot of people a speculate and say this is NIKKI and this look like NIKKI. One of the person them where jump to conclusion is Pretty Dan. So Pretty Dan posts on her Instagram page say a long time me know dirty NIKKI a thief, kiss me teeth, but you go do body and teeth and a thief people things now. That's why me no bad mind none of una girl. Jah was start. Just look away if you know say NIKKI a thief. As I say, me not gonna really jump to conclusion. The photograph the video look like she, but want to tell me in the comment section. Tell me what you think. You see me? Is it indeed NIKKI caught on camera? A thief them look fandangles. You have to go pretty up and go take picture. You have to put on Instagram. I don't know. Tell me what you think about that. And me have to say that part here. People, enough time we see them so-called social media influencers them here. They on the internet and them look, glamorous, them life glamorous and all sort of thing glamorous about them. But people, remember, say life is not always what it appears to be on social media. Enough of them are dead for hungry. You see me? Enough of them some things where them are do for go up on trip. It's disgusting. That's why them can't show the man when them go up on the trip. Them go Dubai, go France, go Spain. You see me? Them just they are not taking a selfie shot. Make we say alright, them alone go up and pick. Them might take full body pic and you don't know who is behind the camera and you don't know nothing at all. I'm not gonna say everybody's still but me just say people don't follow enough of them people here on social media because enough of them are dead for hungry. You see me? And enough of them are grab bag.
Aye, rest the people them goods and come right this way for me no please and thank you. We not thief goods was made in China. I'm so disappointed. Spend how much $1,000 for your body and a thief Chinese goods. Right this way, man. Come this way. Come lady. You deserve to go up on the truck. Open that truck, man. Thief Chinese goods. Come on. Jesus Christ. Hey lady, I beg you walk up for me now, please and thank you. Because when you're thieving people, them goods look while they need to move so slow, Move it, man. Jesus Christ. Miss Keisha, or whatever you want. Come, my lady. You move so slow.
Anyway, it's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about this topic we discussed today. Don't forget to check out Nessermaj on Instagram at Nessermaj876. Alright, and check them out on the World Wide Web, www.nessermaj.com. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and guess what? One way, and any other way, the wrong way. I'm gone. And don't grab no bag,